Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, my name is Rachel. We're doing a deep cleaning series on my channel for the last couple of days. And today we're going to be deep cleaning our microwave. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that real quick. The only things that you're going to need is you're going to need a little bowl, which I have yet to take out of my cupboard. You're going to need a paper towel or microfiber cloth, and you're going to need some lemon juice. And then if you prefer or prefer not to use a glove. I'm going to use a glove because the soap is hot and the water is going to be hot. So anyway, if you guys want to watch this, let's get straight into this video. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do, you also want to have a little bit of vinegar. This is optional. You don't have to use it. Some people do, some people don't. It's your option. And we're running a little low, so we're only using a tad bit. I have my little bowl right here. And if you haven't already, take your glass piece out. You can put it in the dishwasher. You can wash it by hand, whichever. My dishwasher is an economic dishwasher, so it doesn't hurt things. I can even put steel into it, and it'll be okay. So we're going to set that on the table for now. We're just going to open this up. We're going to show you guys what we're working with. All right, so this is what my microwave looks like. You guys can obviously tell there's a bunch of crumbs, and it's pretty dirty. It's a very, very old microwave. We're going to get all that out of there. The microwave was actually Colt's grandfather's, and he had it for almost 40 years. So it's a very old microwave. So we try to use chemicals that aren't going to hurt it, and we try to use as little as possible when you do clean it. It's been about a wild minute since I've cleaned this. It's been about almost 2 weeks since I've cleaned out our microwave. That's why we're doing it today. And I thought, what not more than put it into our Deep Series channel and, you know, see if everybody else needs some help. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my vinegar. I'm also going to take this yellow piece out. I'm not going to clean this because it doesn't have anything on it, and it's just being seen under. You can wipe it down. That's up to you. I just feel like that's more work that I don't want to do. So I'm going to put about that much vinegar in there. And then I'm going to dump as much lemon juice in there as I possibly can. Okay. Very potent-y. That's a good thing. And we're just going to kind of put it right in the middle because it's not going to spin. And I'm just going to go put it in for 1 minute. By the way, paper just went off. We're going to go ahead and we're going to open that up. We're going to see what it looks like. I already applied my glove. If you wanted to, while you're waiting for it to go, you could wipe the outside of your microwave down. I do that on a daily basis, and I already did that this morning, so I did not do it this time. But feel free to go ahead and do that while you're waiting. And instantly, the smell of vinegar and lemon juice come right out. And this is all that we have left in there. So what I'm going to do, because I'm going to be using my paper towel to wipe it down, is I'm just going to sprinkle the rest of it. I'm going to just dump the rest of it in there in sparing areas. And that's all. Then I'm going to take my paper towel, and I'm going to start wiping it up, mainly focusing on the very edges and creases and the very top. Okay, so now that that's all done, I do need to quickly wipe off this area. It's very potent. You guys can also add water to dilute to your solution when you put it in. Definitely wear a glove because I have a sore on my finger and I felt that through the glove. Must be I have a hole in my glove. And make sure that you're watching your nose because it's very, very, very potent. Let's wipe off our door real quick because this also needs attention. Make sure you get in the creases. You're also welcome, if yours is really bad, to take some Q-tips and go in line in the sides of it and in the creases. Mine is old, so I do have some burnt spots and I have some stuff that's been caked on to the point where it's not coming off. So I'm just gonna leave that go. Anyway, guys, this is all I do to deep clean my microwave. And then I'm not gonna do it right now because I just finished doing that. After you allow it to have penetrated and wiped it down, 24 hours later, you want to take like a small thing of just lemon and water, and you also want to do that because it'll give it a more fresh and scented smell, like especially when you're running it, and it'll go straight through. Now that you've already cleaned out your microwave and you got everything all done, let's put these back in where they belong. Ta-da! You guys remember the before, this is the after. The walls don't have much cake on them anymore, as well as the top. Those areas will not come off. They're caked on there, especially these areas here, but it is all clean and ready to be used. If you guys like this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. God bless. Bye.